This ship here, I did make a little paper 3D model of it as I was drawing it out. I would like to make this one in full scale, like not full scale, but like a foam model of it. You can kind of see the three progressions of how I do a ship. A lot of times I just start out with just that sort of scratch design like that. And then I start to try to get the proportions nailed down. And after I get the proportions nailed down, I can scale it up to something that I can add some detail to. You know, if anybody out there ever wants to 3D model one of these or use one of these ideas or explore some variations on the ideas, you know, feel free. Because, like I said, the majority of my stuff's derivative off of other people's works anyway. And so it's always hard to tell how much is mine and how much is theirs. I mean, I've got my own flavor, my own style. Things I like and things I don't like. And so mostly my general method of creating ships and stuff is that I'll pour through things like Pinterest on the internet there, and also Coraflot and DeviantArt, and then I'll look for little tiny ideas, little ingredients, like, you know, this one has the 2-disc that element, and then it has this kind of soft curve, that kind of fish kind of look to it. You know, this one kind of looks slightly like a frog. Unfortunately, that looks a little bit like a sperm, I guess. Not a very good look. It's one of those things that, you know, if it were bigger and done with on a computer, it'd probably look way better. I think that's really it for this particular notebook. So we'll just keep that one short there. Let's check these out. This one here is meant for like aquatic landings. When the ship is sitting in the water, this little part right there on the back, that's actually meant to drive a full-size like boat or ship right up onto the back of it and use it like a dry dock. Then this spaceship can pick it up and take it into orbit or take it to another planet. Like, this thing's meant to be a tug, and it's meant to carry these large like liquid cylinders, air cylinder shapes, and then like the cockpit would be up here in this, and that crescent shape on the front there. A lot of my ships, there's ones that can land on planets, and some that can land on like the hard surface on the ground, others that are meant to land only on water, and then there are ones that are meant for only spaceship to spaceship or space station to space station travel. Well, I guess I'll cut this off here and leave you with this one.